This is Jezebel, Calico Kitty, and she's so sweet and she loves food. She loves to eat all the time, and she likes being massaged. Right, Jezebel? Hmm? She likes to lay on these sheets because it's comfy for her. And this is Hypnos. He likes his hammock. Hello. Are you sleepy? Ooh. That's Hypnos and Jezebel's cat trees.
You also have cat tree up teaching. That was Hypnos' first cat. We did that with the first cat.
What? Yeah.
Well, he did that with all the other ones.
Back to Jezebel. Hi. Say hi to your. Oh, you want me to touch your tummy? You have so many fans. You're now a social media influencer. Yeah, you're so famous now. Look at that short legs and those chubby body and that cute face. I am going to give Jezebel and Hypno some treats. I'm sure they will love it. Oh, I can mix it with their food. Put some here. If I shake this, Jezebel will come running. See, I told you! She's here! She loves her food! Hypno doesn't feel like eating today. I'll just give some for Jezebel. A little bit. Somebody gave her some this morning. Okay, here's your treat. Just a few. I won't overfeed you. You should be on a diet. She was surprised because I only gave her a few. And she's like, that's it? No more? No more? It was just a teaser. How about you, Hypno? She still has some here. I'll get a few from Hypno so he won't puke. I'll give it to Jezebel. Come on, here's your treat. Come on here. Here's your treat. Okay, I'll give it to you because you're Please don't puke. Please don't throw up. No more? You still want more? No more. No overfeeding Jezebel and Hypnos. Look how chubby she is. She's so chubby. Chubby kitty. She's a very sweet cat, but she doesn't like other animals. Okay, let's go back to the room. Oh, she's eating the rest of her food. It's not the same as the treats? You're looking for the treats? Hello. Back to your hammock. You're going back to your hammock. Okay, climb up. Climb back to your house. He's scratching. Climb! Jump! Climb up! He's back to his spot. Back to the hammock. He's now full. Hello. Hey. Hey. What about you? Let's go back to the room. Come back here. Jezebel, come back. Come back. Come back. Come back here. Hey. Back to the room. Continue with my reading. And while I'm doing my stuff, I have an assistant beside me. Hey. Say hi to everyone. You're not gonna say hi. She's kinda snob. She only cares about food. Time check. It's already 4 in the afternoon. And Jezebel is taking a nap. It's her daily routine. She takes a nap on the sheets because she likes the texture. Every time Jezebel sleeps on the sheets, she purrs. That means she's happy. It's her favorite spot. Hello, princess. Hello, sorry to wake you up. You look so cute. Hello. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Sweet, sweet. You're so cute. She sheds a lot, by the way. So I spent a lot of lint rollers to clean the bed. Right? You should clean your own bed. You should clean your own. You should clean the bed. Aww, you're too cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry to disturb your sleep. Sorry to wake you up. She's so cute. She likes sleeping here beside me. She loves me. She's cleaning herself. Isabel, why are you so cute? Why God made you so cute? Okay, bye now. Bye, Hypnos. Hypnos is also taking a nap. Hey, wake up. Hello. Hello. He's heavy. Kinda heavy. Hey, I was trying to. Here he is. Hey. Hi. Look at you. You look so comfy. Am I annoying? Huh? just moving like that. It's nice outside. It's nice. Hypno's got a nice view. This is Hypno's condo. I'm sorry. What's that? Bye. I wish I was a cat so I can be in that hammock. That's Hypno's view.